Hello, for today's video is how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. So what is the best way to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android? The process isn't as convoluted as it once was. I remember when we had to input all names, numbers, and other info manually. Now, smartphones, apps, and cloud services can do most of the work for us. Today, I'm gonna show you some. First is by using Google account. You'll need a Google account to use your Android phone. If you have yet to set up one, head to Google homepage, select sign in, click on create account, follow instructions. Once that's done, follow the next steps to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android using your Google account through the cloud. How to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android using your Google account. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, go into Contacts, tap on Accounts, select your Gmail account, add it if you haven't. Switch the contacts toggled on. Now, contacts will automatically sync from your phone to Google. In turn, they will also sync to your Android device as long as you're using the same Google account. Next is by using Google Drive. Transferring your contacts via Google Contacts may be easier, but some of you like having more control over your contacts. Another way to move your contact from iPhone to Android is to do a manual backup with Google Drive. Here's how to do it. How to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android using Google Drive. So, download the Google Drive app for iOS, sign in and set up your Google Drive. On the Google Drive iOS app, tap on the three-line menu button, select Settings, hit Backup. Make sure contact syncing is on. You can turn off calendar events and photos and videos if you want. Hit Start Backup. This will sync your contact directly to Google Contacts, so there's nothing else to do as long as your Android contacts are synced to your Google account. So I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!